Kayo po, wala po ba kayong plano bilang Pangulo ng ating bansa para pakiusapan mo sila na huwag nang ituloy yung impeachment dahil baka abala nga naman po sa trabaho ng ating gobyerno at syempre sa buhay at pamumuhay ng ating mga kababayan?
The Senate has no choice. The House has no choice. They have to do this now.
Sir, may nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow.
Do you think, sir, may basihan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is a democracy.